Today, we'll be reviewing the ON 1080p portable projector, so stay tuned. This projector retails for $250 and is currently sold at Walmart. It has a native resolution of 1920 by 1080, displays an image up to 165 inches, comes with 2 built-in speakers, has a brightness of 3100 lumens, has a contrast ratio of 20,000 to 1, and has a 90-day warranty. It also comes with the Roku 3800X streaming stick. Inside the box you'll find the remote to the Roku itself, USB cable to connect the Roku along with 2 batteries, the remote for the projector, and power supply. Once we pull out the projector, you'll also find the user guide. On top there is a power and menu button as well as arrow buttons. Focus is adjusted by the ring on the front of the lamp. And there is a knob on the back to adjust keystone. On the bottom are 4 adjustable legs that can be removed to ceiling mount the projector. On the back of the projector are 2 USB ports, 3 HDMI ports, an audio jack, a headphone jack, VGA input, and DC in for the power supply. This is how you'll connect the Roku to the projector. I mounted the projector in my home theater on my 120-inch screen. The projector boots up quickly to the menu screen. Once in the setup menu, you'll see options to adjust the picture, sound, change the language, set the clock, and timer. I connected the projector to my Blu-ray player using an HDMI cable. First impressions out of the box: colors are not vibrant and black levels are very poor. Shadow details are pretty much non-existent, although I do realize this is a budget projector. As you can see, flesh tones do not look natural. My theater is light controlled, and even though the specs state 3100 lumens, I do not think this projector would do well in a room with a lot of ambient light. I decided to use my calibration disc to hopefully improve the picture quality. On the left you'll see the calibrated, and on the right you'll see the not calibrated. Even though the picture is slightly improved, overall the image still leaves a lot to be desired. Fan noise on this projector is pretty loud. There are also built-in speakers. They do get reasonably loud, but the fan noise drowns them out.
Now, you need to readjust the way you process everything around us, including your everything, is temporary. We are forever.
I connected my PS4 and there was noticeable input lag, but it should be fine for the casual gamer. Overall, I would not recommend this projector. Picture quality is too poor, fan noise is too high. I think you would be better off spending a little more and getting a higher quality projector. I'd recommend something like the Benq MH530 for around $450 on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description to the Benq projector. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. Also, please subscribe and join the notification squad so you know when new videos are posted. Leave your comments and questions down below and I'll do my best to answer them. Thanks again.